Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter differential equation. Okay, now to concentrate our mind, let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the differential equation of, that is linear differential equation, and non-linear differential equation, that is Bernoulli equations, and some problems. Today we are going to discuss that is a special type of that is differential equation, that is called homogeneous differential equation, and how to solve the homogeneous differential equation. That before that we should know what is homogeneous function. Okay, homogeneous means uniform. So first, what is homogeneous function? Homogeneous function. Homogeneous function means what? The degree of, if the degree of the function f of x, the function f of x comma y is said to be homogeneous function in x and y if f of, suppose, kx comma ky is equal to what? Homogeneous function. The function f of x comma y is said to be homogeneous function in x comma y of degree n if f of kx comma ky is equal to what? K to the power n into f of xy, or if the degree of each term of the function f of x comma y is are equal, then it is homogeneous function. Homogeneous function. This is the definition of homogeneous function. For example, suppose f of x comma y is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. It is homogeneous function of degree 2. It is homogeneous function of degree 2. केम जानल ना आर पावर डिग्री केते 2, आर पावर 2 अच्छी, आर पावर 2 अच्छी, एक्स रो 1 वाई रो 1 जदि मल्टीप्लाई अच्छी पावर दुटा ऐड होथिबो तो आर मध्य कोन हला 2 हला, तो सबु टर्म रो डिग्री 2 इक्वल हला, 2 इक्वल हला. So this is homogeneous function of degree what? 2. Another example, this is example 2. F of x comma y is equal to what? X cube plus 3x square y plus y cube divided by, suppose, x plus y. It is also homogeneous function. Okay, of degree kete? It is homogeneous function of degree 2. केम दिला ना ऊपर पावर 3 अच्छी, आर 2 plus 1 that is 3 हला, एटा 3 हला, तले 1 लेखा अछि ना, तो डिवाइड अच्छी, डिवाइड थिले माइनस कर दोथो. ओके, एटा 3 हला, एटा 1 हला, एई हम सब टर्म रो डिग्री इक्वल थियर अछि, तो होमोजेनियस कहबा. 83 अछि, 81 अछि, जब डिवाइड अच्छी तो डिग्री कौन कहबा 2, 3 - 1 2, ऊपर 3 तले 1. This is homogeneous function, but not it is homogeneous differential equation. What do you mean by homogeneous differential equation? Now let's discuss about homogeneous differential equation. Clear? Definition of the homogeneous, its definition of homogeneous differential equation. The differential equation of type dy by dx is equal to f of function of xy divided by another function of xy if f of x comma y and g of x comma y are homogeneous function of same degree. Example dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 5y square divided by what? Divided by here xy. This is homogeneous differential equation because यार डिग्री के तो 2 यार डिग्री के तो 2 एटी 1 plus 1 के 2 होच तो एटा होची होमोजेनियस h मींस होमोजेनियस d मान डिफरेंशियल e माने इक्वेशन होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन नंबर 2 dy by dx is equal to 3x fourth plus x square y square plus y fourth divided by x cube plus 2y square 2xy square. This is not homogeneous equation, not homogeneous differential equation. Why? Reason, this is fourth. This is homogeneous function. It is also homogeneous function. Okay, x cube and 1 plus 2, that is 3. Both are homogeneous function, but what is its degree? यार डिग्री होची 4 आ डिग्री होची 3 डिग्री दीटा इक्वल थोर अछि फर्स्ट एग्जांपल देखो या डिग्री 2 अछि होमोजेनियस फंक्शन हला या डिग्री कोन होछि 2 होछि सेम डिग्री थिबो होमोजेनियस फंक्शन थिबो तो होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हे परियो नाउ हाउ टू सॉल्व प्रोसीजर टू सॉल्व होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन प्रोसीजर टू सॉल्व homogeneous differential equation. Okay, let dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y divided by g of x comma y is homogeneous differential. Be homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so step 1 put y is equal to bx and differentiate. This is equation 1 and this is a. Differentiate dy by dx is equal to x into dv by dx plus b. Okay, this is equation b. Use equation A and equation B in equation 1 and then use variable separable method. This is the procedure to find solution of the differential equation. Now let's discuss some problems. This is the question. Solve the equations, differential equation. Solution of question number 1. What is question number here? That is x square into dy plus y into x plus y is equal dx is equal to 0. या डिग्री के तो 2 अछि आर 1 के तला 2 1 के तो 2 होछि मल्टीप्लाई कले तो कोन पुट y इक्वल vx करि परिया हमें और ठीक अच्छे This is homogeneous equation. Or find dy by ds here. So this is equal to what? Y into x plus y, sorry, x square into dy is equal to what? Is equal to minus y into x plus y into dx. So dx atala anju. So dy by dx is equal to what? Minus of this is y into x plus y divided by x square. या डिग्री के तो अच्छी 1 एटार 1 1 अच्छी तो मल्टीप्लाई कले के ऐड हो डिग्री आ डिग्री 1 आ डिग्री 1 मल्टीप्लाई हेले 2 हला आ डिग्री 1 y स्क्वायर डिग्री 2 ना ए तोला डिग्री के तो 2 अच्छी सो सेम डिग्री हला होमोजेनियस हला सो दिस इज होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. तो व्हाट इज प्रोसीजर? पुट y इज इक्वल टू vs. This is suppose equation 1 and this is a differentiate both side with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to u into v x into dv by dx plus x into dv plus this is v du plus u means what? v into derivative of x. So this is equation b. Suppose use a and b in equation what? In equation 1. So what is here? That is dy by dx value what? dy by dx value कौन अच्छी ना x dv by dx plus v is equal to y जगह कौन पड़िबो? That is minus here vx and x plus what? vx divided by x square. Okay, so take common here x, that is equal to x into dv by ds plus v is equal to minus what? v and take x square, that is 1 plus v divided by what? x square. So x square goes cancel. Now x dv by ds is equal to x dv by ds plus v is equal to minus 1 what? Minus v. Minus 1 minus v. Correct? Now this is what? Okay, so put y is equal to vx here, y equal to vx. So x take common 1 plus v and this is multiply kale kete asibo? Minus v square. Correct? This is what? Minus v. This is what? Minus v into what? v plus 1. X को cancel लीजिए. Now dv by, or we can write here, that is minus v square minus v. Okay, now this can be done. So this is what? X dv by dx, or this is minus v square minus v and this is what? Another minus v. So x dv by dx is equal to what? X dv by dx is equal to what? Now here this is what? Minus v square minus 2v. Now what? This is equal to what? dv by dx is equal to dv by that is what? That is what happens here? dv by what? So minus common here. X dv by ds is equal to minus v common, or that is v plus 2. So dv by what? dv by v plus 2 is equal to minus dx by x. So integrating both side, that is dv by v into v plus 2 minus what? dx by x. So this is what? From this we get will get what? This is integration of एटा हम कौन करिया 1 अच्छी 1 को सेट करिवा केमिन देखो 1 को केमिन सेट करिवा ना 1 बदल रे तो कौन लिखिपर v प्लस टू माइनस व्हाट दैट इज v करवा v कले होल डिवाइड बाय 2 करदे है नहीं प्लस v माइनस v कैंसिल होची सो और यूज बाय पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन or you can use by partial fraction. So this is 1, so we can write here that is 1 by 2 into v plus 2 minus 2 sorry minus v. तो प्लस v माइनस v कैंसिल है 2 by 2 के 1 होची into v plus 2 or you may do partial fraction. This is dv, so this is minus log x or you write here plus log c or log c you can write. log आसिले log c लिखो ना सिंपल c लिख भी चलिए कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. तो दिस इज व्हाट 1 by 2 cancel this is 1 by v that is 1 plus what v plus 2 into dv is equal to ln c by x. So 1 by 2 into log v minus what log v plus 2 is equal to ln what c plus x. So this is equal to 1 by 2 log v by v plus 2 is equal to log c by x or this is equal to log root over half means what root over v by v plus 2 is equal to what log c by x. So cancel here, so v by c by x, so v by root over v by v plus 2 is equal to c by x, squaring both side. So v by v plus 2 is equal to c square by constant any constant by x square. Okay, that is what constant square k, that is suppose k, or this is equal to v means what y by x, that implies v means what y by x whole divided by y by x plus 2 is equal to constant k c square equal to constant by x. So this is what this is equal to y by y plus 2 is equal to k by x. This is the differential equation, or we can write this is the differential equation. Okay, or you may write what y is equal to k by x into y plus 2. This is the solution of differential equation. Now the question number 2. Now question number 2, that is solution of 2 x square into y dx is equal minus what x cube plus y cube into dy. X cube plus y cube into dy is equal to 0. So this is equal to what we get here, that is minus of x cube plus y cube is equal to minus into what into dy is equal to minus x square y into dx. So minus minus goes cancel. Now dy by dx is equal to what x square y divided by x cube plus y cube. या डिग्री 2 प्लस 1 3 है ए तले डिग्री के 3 3 अच्छे होमोजेनियस ये होमोजेनियस फंक्शन देयरफॉर दिस इज होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर, पुट y is equal to vx, put y is equal to vx. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is a, so dy by dx is equal to what x dv by dx plus b, this is b. Now use a and b in equation 1. So what happens here, that is x dv by dx plus b is equal to x square into vx by x cube plus vq x cube. y बदल रहे vx पुट कली. So this is equal to x into dv by dx plus v, take common here x cube. Okay, x cube into v divide by x cube common, that is what 1 plus v cube. So x cube cancel, Now x dv by dx is equal to v by v by 1 plus vq, 1 plus vq, okay, minus v. So this is x dv by dx is equal to v minus v minus what, v fourth, divide by what, 1 plus vq. So plus vq minus vq, plus v minus v was cancel. Now what happens here, that is x dv by dx, dx is equal to minus v fourth by 1 or vq plus 1. Okay, now what happens here, that is vq plus 1, that implies vq plus 1 by v fourth is equal to into dv is equal to minus dx by x. Okay, so this is v fourth, this is v fourth, divide, that is integration of what, integration of vq by v fourth 1 by v plus integration of v to the power minus 4 dv, this is dv is equal to minus log x plus log c. जदि log आंसर आथो log constant log c लिखिले भलो. So this is minus 4, so this is log v and this is plus v to the power minus 3 by minus 3 is equal to log what, c by x. Okay, now this is log v minus 1 by 3 vq is equal to ln c by x, or you can write here ln v minus what, ln c by x is equal to 1 by 3 vq. So we can write here log v by what, v by c by x is equal to 1 by 3 vq, or this is equal to ln vx by c is equal to 1 by 3 vq. Now put v equal to y by x. So what happens here, now put v is equal to y by x, put v is equal to y by x. So ln v means y by x into x by what, c is equal to minus 1 by 3, that is yq by xq. So x cancel here, so log y by c is equal to what, minus xq by yq. This is the solution, this is the solution, 1 by 3 here. Okay, 1 by 3 here, 1 by 3, that is x cube by y cube. This is the solution. Now question number 2 is completed, question number 1 completed, question number 2 completed. Now question number 3. Solution of question number 3, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 y by x, y square by x square. तो देखो होमोजेनियस हो ना 1 1 होची, तो डिवाइड थिले पावर डिग्री माइनस है जो 1 माइनस 1 केते 0, 2 माइनस 2 केते डिग्री केते 0 होला, ये होमोजेनियस होची. तो दिस इज होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई कर परियर अछि. तो पुट y is equal to vx, y equal to vx, or y by x is equal to, or y by x is equal to v, same thing. So and differentiate here, differentiate dy by dx is equal to x into dv by ds plus v. So this is put in equation 1, this is suppose equation 1. So this is x dv by dx plus v is equal to 1 by 2, y by x means v, and this is equal to v square. Okay, so that is x dv by dx is equal to what, v plus v square by 2 minus v. So this is equal to x dv by dx, that is what, v plus v square minus 2v by 2, that is equal to x dv by dx, and v square here, v square minus v v square minus v by 2. So now dv 2 into dv by 2 into dv by what, that is what, this is by 2 here. So this is 2 by v square minus v is equal dx by x. This is what, this is what, this is 2 here. So v square minus v by 2. So 2 dv by this is what, v square minus v ds by x. So this is equal to what, this is equal to what, 2 common here, that is dv by integrating both side, that is what, integrating both side, that is 2 into dv by v common, v minus 1 is equal to integration dx by x. So यहाँ पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन करि परिबा, तो पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन कले हबो नहल कोन करि परिबा, हीट एंड ट्रायल मेथड 2 into आमे 1 ड कोन लिखि परिबा, देखो 1 बदल रे मु लिखि परिबे व्हाट, v माइनस ऑफ v माइनस 1 लिखि परिबे ना, प्लस v माइनस 1 कैंसिल होची. सो 1 बदल रे कोन लिखि परिबा ना, v माइनस ऑफ v माइनस 1. सो दिस कैन बी व्हाट, 1 by v minus 1 minus 1 by v, एतिकी सेट हो जना, देखो v minus 1 by v minus. Okay, so this is equal to what, log x plus log c suppose, and this is equal to 2 into log what, v minus 1 minus log v minus log v, this is equal to ln cx. Okay, so this is implies what, 2 into log v minus 1 by v is equal to ln what, cx, or this is equal to what, this implies log v minus 1 by v whole square is equal to what, ln cx. So here log cancel, v minus 1 by v whole square is equal to cx. So what is v, v means y by x. So y by x minus 1 by y by x whole square is equal to cx. That implies y minus x by y, y minus x by y whole square is equal to cx. This is the solution. Y minus x by x cancel here. So y minus x by y minus x whole divided by y whole square is equal to cx. This is the solution of the differential equation. This is question number what, question number 3. Now question number 4. Now question number 4 is what, question number 4 is, that is solution of 4, x into dy by dx plus root over x square plus y square is equal to y. So this is equal to x into dy by dx, that is what, that is equal to y minus root over x square plus y square, or that is equal to what, dy by dx is equal to y minus root over x square plus y square by x. So this is power 1 degree 1 root over थिले तार हाफ है जो पावर, तो degree 1 degree 1 degree 1, तो homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so put y is equal to vx, put y is equal to vx. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is a, so dy by ds is equal to x into dv by dx plus v. This is equation 2. Use equation a and b in equation 1. So what happens here, x dv by dx plus v, this is what, y equal to vx minus x square, this is v square x square divided by x. So dy by ds is equal to what, that implies x into dv by dx plus v is equal to vx, x square common है बाहर को आसले x हो, that is 1 plus v square by x. So this is what, x dv by dx plus v is equal to x common, so v minus root over 1 plus v square, okay, plus v, this goes cancel. Now dv by root over 1 plus v square dv d is equal to what? Minus dx by x. So integrating both side. So integrating both side, what happens here? Integrating both sides, integrate both sides. So integration of dv by 1 plus v square is equal to integration of dx by x. So this is log v plus 1 plus v square is equal to what? Is equal to minus log x plus log c. So this is what? This is equal to log, this is what? Log v plus what? Value of v. V means what? Y by x. Ln y by x plus root over 1 plus y square by x square mod is equal to ln c by x. So this is equal to what? Y plus root over x square plus y square by what? This is y by x here is equal to c by x. So x goes cancel. So this is the solution. Y is equal to c minus root over x square plus y square is the solution of this. So this is solution of that. This is question number 4. Now question number 5. What is question number 5? Then question number 5, solution of question number 5. So what happens? X into x plus y dy is equal to x square plus y square into dx. Okay, now find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square divided by x into x plus y. Okay, this is homogeneous differential equation because degree 2, degree 2, degree 2, degree 2, degree 2, degree 2, degree 1 into 1 degree. So 2. So put y is equal to vx. Put y is equal to vx. This is suppose equation 1 and this is suppose equation a. Differentiate. So dy by ds is equal to what? X into dv by dx plus b. This is equation b. Okay, use equation a and b in equation a, sorry, equation 1. So x dv by dx plus b is equal to x square plus y square means what? B square x square divided by x into x plus bx. That implies x dv by dx plus b is equal to x square common, 1 plus b square divided by x common here, x into 1 plus b. तो x कॉमन है x स्क्वायर है x स्क्वायर कैंसल. दैट इम्प्लाइज x dv by ds plus b is equal to 1 plus v square by 1 plus b. Now x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square by 1 plus b minus b. Correct. 1 plus v square by 1 by v, 1 plus b minus b. Now this is equal to x plus dv by ds is equal to 1 plus v square minus b square by 1 plus b. So plus b square minus b square cancel, 1 minus v by 1 plus b. Okay, then x is equal to what? Then that is equal to x into dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v by 1 plus v, and this is what? 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v. dv is equal to dx by x. Integrating both sides, integrating both sides. So what is 1 plus v by 1 minus b dv is equal to integration dx by x. So separate this. So 1 minus b minus gote common kale kon hochi b minus 1. Okay, so how can it solved? That is equal to what? 1 minus b. Okay, 1 minus b, or you can divide this 1 plus b divided by what? 1 minus b, or we can write v plus 1 by v plus 1, division rule, b plus 1 by minus b plus 1. So this is what? Minus 1. This is what? The division. This is division here. What? V plus 1 divided by v minus 1, minus v plus 1. Or this is what? This can be obtained. This can be obtained here. That is what? V plus 1 divided by minus v plus 1. Okay, minus v plus 1. This is v plus 1. So this is minus 1. So this is v, and this is minus 1. So this cancel, and this is plus. So remainder is 2. So this can be written as minus 1 plus 2 by 1 minus v, integration dv. Okay, and this is what? Log x plus log x plus log c. This is integration of dx by x is equal to log x. जदि log आसला log c लिखली, आंसर टा simpler फॉर्म हम. So this is equal to what? Minus v, minus गोटे कॉमन कर दो, minus of what? Minus of गोटे माइनस कॉमन कर लेडी, minus of log v minus 1. Okay, so this is what? Ln cx. Now this is equal to what? This is equal to minus b. Suppose minus common कर देते हो, और take here, और v is equal to what? Minus b is equal to, that is log v minus 1 plus what? Ln cx, or this is equal to minus v is equal to what? Or v is equal to minus of what? Log v minus 1 by cx. Put v is equal to y by x. Put v is equal to y by x. That is implies what? Put y is equal to what? Y equal to vx. So v is equal to, use v is equal to y by x. So what happens here? That is y by x, that implies y by x is equal to minus of ln y by x minus 1 by cx. Okay, so this is equal to y by x, and this is what? Minus ln of y minus x by cx square. Okay, or you can write here y by x is equal to the power minus out here, power minus 1 is your ln y minus x by cx square whole to the minus 1, or y by x is equal to what? Log of cx square by what? Cx square by y minus x. This is solution of this question. Okay, now this is the problems. Now another question. Solve x into sin y by x dy is equal to y into sin y by x minus x into ds. So solution is what? X into sin y by x into dy is equal to y into sin y by x minus x into dx. आमे बाहर करिबा dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to what? Y into sin y by x minus x divided by x into sin y by x. Eta power 1 अछि, power 1 अछि, power 1 अछि. Homogeneous differential equation. Okay, homogeneous differential equation. So this is equation 1. Put y is equal to vx or we can write y by x is equal to what? V. So differentiate dy by dx is equal to what? X into dv by ds, derivative बाहर कुछ plus u into derivative of v into derivative of u plus u into derivative of v means what? 1 here. So this is suppose A and this is B. Use A and B in equation 1. So this is what? X dv by dx, that is y means what? Y is equal to vx into sin y by x means what? V minus x by x into sin v. Y by x means what? V. So x take common, so plus v here, plus v here. That implies x dv by dx, x dv by dx plus v is equal to take common x, so v sin v minus 1, okay, v sin v minus 1 divided by x into sin v. So x goes cancel. Now x plus x into dv by dx plus v is equal to sin v, v sin v minus 1 by what? Sin v. Now x into dv by ds is equal to what? X into dv by ds is equal to x into dv by dx is equal to v sin v minus 1 by sin v minus v. So that implies what? X into dv by dx is equal to v sin v minus 1 minus v sin v by what? Sin v. So v sin v was cancel. So x into dv by ds is equal to what? X into dv by ds is equal to minus 1 by what? Sin v. Okay, so this is what? Sin v dv is equal to minus dx by x. Okay, clear? Now this is integrating both sides, integrating both sides, that is what? Sin and integrating both sides, this is what? Integrating both sides. So integrating both sides, what happens here? So integration sin v dv is equal to minus dx by x. So integration of sin v means what? Minus cos v is equal to minus log x plus c, or log c, you can write log c, that is equal to minus what? Minus take common, so cos v is equal to what? Ln c minus log x, ln c minus log x. What is v? So cos v means what? Y by x is equal to ln c by x. This is the solution of the differential equation. These are the. Now this is another type question. Here we have to put x is equal to vy, because x by y equal to v, or x is equal to vy. So put here, that is dx by dy. Okay, so solution is what here? 1 plus e to the power x by y into dx plus e to the power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy is equal to 0. So this is what? This is equal to 1 plus e to the power x by y into dx is equal to minus of e to the power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy. So dx by dy is equal to what? E to the power minus e to the power x by y into 1 minus x by y divided by 1 plus e to the power x by y. So put x by y is equal to v, or what, x is equal to vy. Differentiate with respect to y, differentiate with respect to y. So dx by dy is equal to v into what, v into y into what, that is v into dx by dy. So dx by dy is equal to, differentiate with respect to y into v into y into dv by dy. Okay, y into dv by ds plus v. Use this a and b in equation 1. Use a and b in equation 1. So this is what, y dv by dy plus v is equal to minus e to the power v 1 minus v divided by what, 1 plus e to the power v. Clear? So y into dv by dy e to the power minus e to the power v 1 minus v by 1 plus e to the power v minus v. So what happens here, that is what happens here, now that is x into, that implies x into y into dv by dy is equal to e to the power minus e to the power v 1 minus v minus v into 1 plus e to the power v by 1 plus e to the power v. So y into dv by dy minus e to the power v plus v into what, this is minus sign, plus v into e to the power v and minus v into e to the power v divided by 1 plus e to the power v. So this term was cancelled here, that is what, y into dv by dy is equal to what, minus e to the power v minus e to the power v minus v, that is minus e to the power minus v divided by 1 plus e to the power v. Okay, and this is dv by dy. Now another, so take minus common here, that implies what, that is equal to minus common here. So dv what, dv minus common, that is what, minus of what, v plus e to the power v by 1 plus e to the power v. So this is 1 plus e to the power v by v plus e to the power v into dv is equal to minus dy by y. So integrating both sides 1 plus e to the power v divided v plus e to the power v into dv is equal to minus dy by y. So this is the derivative of f v equal to what, 1 e to the power v equal to, so f dash x by fx formula. So log of what, v plus e to the power v is equal to log y plus c लिखिले हबो, log c लिखिले हबो. Okay, so what is v? V means what, x by y plus e to the power x by y is minus, this is log y is equal to c. So this is equal to log of what, log of x by y plus e to the power x by y into y is equal to c. This is the solution of the differential equation. Now this is in the form of dx by dy. If dx by dy, the differential equation, homogeneous differential equation is ds by dy, then use x by y equal to v or x is equal to vy. Okay, then in next video we will discuss non-homogeneous differential equation and its problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.